Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good job. So, you know one thing?
Yeah.
Today I'm going to ask 100 GK questions.
Ah.
Are you ready to answer?
Yep.
Good job. Fine. I'll ask some questions and mommy will ask some questions, and all together we will ask 100 GK questions. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay. Mommy will ask
I
some questions.
love GK questions.
Good job. By the way, what's your name?
My name is Tanvika and my nickname is Sweetie.
Good job. How old are you?
5 years old.
Good job. Which school you're going to join now?
All late.
Good job. Okay, let's start.
Can you start now?
Yes.
Are you ready to answer?
Yes.
What is Indian national animal?
Indian national animal. Right, tiger.
Good.
Good. What is Indian national fruit?
Indian national fruit. It's yellow color mango. I love mangoes.
Good job.
Good job. What is Indian national flower?
Indian national flower. I love lotus.
Good job.
It's
What
a
is
pink color.
Uh-huh. Good job.
okay? What is Indian national bird?
Indian national bird. It is peacock.
Good job.
And the different kind of peacock is going to be.
Wow.
What is Indian national sport?
Indian national sport hockey.
What is Indian national song?
Indian national song. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Good job.
Who wrote Vande Mataram?
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Wow.
Good.
Good job, sweetie.
What is Indian national anthem?
Anthem. Janagana Mana. Can I want to sing that?
No, not right now. Good.
Okay. Who wrote Janagana Mana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Good job.
Can I sing the Janagana Mana?
Not right now, sweetie.
What is Indian national tree?
Indian national tree, banyan tree.
Good job.
Good.
It's so very long if you want to
Mhm.
go there.
Who is father of nation?
Oh. Can you help me, Daddy?
Mohan Das.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Yes, you did it.
Who designed
Thank
Indian
you.
Welcome.
Who designed the Indian national flag?
Indian national flag. Twinkle, twinkle, yeah.
Good
He
job.
he painted the flag.
Good job.
Good city. How many colors in Indian national flag?
It is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you tell the name of the colors?
Orange, white, blue, green.
Good job.
Good. What is there in middle of Indian national flag?
Ashoka Chakra and how many is it? 20.
You mean how many folks inside the Ashoka Chakra?
know-
Yeah,
how many
it's 24.
Good job.
Good city. What is the Indian national flag? What is the name of the Indian national flag?
Tiranga.
Correct.
Wow.
And
Good job.
the first name is Tree.
Good job.
Which is the festival of colors in India?
Idle 1 is 3.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay, next question.
Which is the festival of colors in India?
Deepavali.
No,
Festival
Festival
of
of Colors.
Colors.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's Holi. Good job.
Which is the festival of lights in India?
Oh, it's India. It is Deepavali.
Yes, correct.
Yes, city.
Good job.
What is the capital city of India?
Capital city of India.
Mm-hmm.
New Delhi.
Yes.
What is the capital city of America?
Washington DC.
Good
Yeah,
job.
Good city. Who is the president of India?
Ram,
Ramnath Kovind.
good job.
Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome.
Who is president of America?
He's right. Here is
Yeah.
Joe Biden.
Good job.
Good city. Who is chief minister of Andhra Pradesh?
Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh.
Need help?
No.
Mr. YS?
Mr. Wise, anyone that is?
Yes.
I'm thinking of that one.
Okay.
Who is Chief Minister of Telangana?
Mr. Kalvakonda Chandrasekhar Rao.
Correct.
Good job. When is India Independence Day?
India Independence Day. August 15th.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're right.
When is USA Independence Day?
July 4th.
Wow, that's so cool.
Good
Sup-
job, City.
Like,
Not the
yeah.
Which is the national currency of India?
What?
Which is the national
Which
currency?
is right? Indian rupees.
Correct.
Correct, City. Which is the Indian national currency of USA?
Done.
US dollar.
Correct. Good
Good
job.
job. Which is the tallest animal in the world?
Tallest animal.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
Tell me.
That was crazy.
Yeah. What is that?
What is that?
We go to the zoo. Where is
Yeah.
giraffe?
Giraffe.
Say loud.
Giraffe.
Okay.
Okay.
Good job.
Which is the largest animal in the world?
Largest animal. It's blue.
Huh?
It's blue.
Hmm.
Yeah.
It's so long.
Yeah.
Blue whale.
Yes.
Good, City.
Big city. We have less time. Quick.
Oopsie.
Which is the highest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
Good job.
It's white.
Mm-hmm.
Which is the longest river in the world?
It's so very big.
Yeah.
Longest river in it.
Nail. Okay.
Which is
It's
the
so very
biggest?
long.
Yeah.
Now walk there.
Okay.
Which is the biggest desert in the world?
Salt is it?
Good job.
Yeah.
Be louder.
Which is the largest forest in the world?
Amazon rainforest.
Which is the largest country in the world? by
Russia.
area? Sorry?
Loud.
Russia.
Okay. What animal is known as ship of desert?
Camel.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. How many countries in the world?
95.
Good
How
job.
many?
195.
Good job, City. Which is the largest flower in the world? Say loud.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay. Which animal is called king of jungle?
King of jungle. Lion. Roar.
Correct. Yeah, you got it.
He's a
Who
king.
was the first man to walk on the
Neil
moon?
Armstrong.
Yeah, right.
How many primary colors are there?
Three.
Can you tell the name of the colors?
Red, blue, yellow.
Good job.
Which is the principal source of energy for Earth?
Hotty sun.
Sorry.
Hotty sun.
Ah, good. What type of bird lays the largest eggs?
Ostrich. Ostrich.
Good job.
Good, City. Which is the fastest animal on the land?
Cheetah.
Yes. Which country is called the land of rising sun?
Japan.
Yeah. Good job.
How many planets in our solar system?
8 planets.
Wonderful.
Can you tell the name of the planets? Slow.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Good job.
Which is the smallest planet?
Smallest planet.
This is the smallest planet.
Mercury.
Yes.
Yes.
Good job.
Which is the largest planet?
Largest planet. Jupiter.
Yes.
Yes. Which is the red planet?
Mars.
Good. Which is the coolest planet?
Coolest planet. Uranus.
Yes.
Which is the hottest planet?
Hottest planet. Venus.
Mm-hmm.
Good, City.
Mm-hmm.
Which are gas planets?
Jupiter and Saturn.
Wow.
Yeah, right.
Is sun planet or star?
Star.
Yes. Moon is planet or satellite?
Satellite.
Good. Moon is satellite to which planet?
It is Earth.
Good.
Oh,
We
good.
are here. Right.
How many continents in the world?
7.
Yes. Can you tell the name of the continents?
Name of the continents: North America, South America, Europe, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, Asia, Africa.
Good city.
Perfect.
Which is the smallest continent?
Continent:
Mhm.
Australia.
Perfect.
Which is the largest continent?
Largest continent: Asia,
Perfect.
Which is the dark continent?
Africa,
Mhm.
Wow.
Mhm.
Which is the
Arctica,
Yes.
which is the coolest continent?
Antarctica.
Yes, city. How many oceans are there in the world?
7,
No.
5.
Can you tell
Yep.
the name of the oceans?
Every question: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Perfect.
Good job, city. Which is the largest ocean?
Largest ocean: Pacific Ocean.
Good
Good.
job.
Which is the smallest ocean?
Arctic Ocean.
Mhm. Good job. How many letters are there in English alphabets?
26.
Good job. How many vowels are there in English alphabets?
Hmm?
How many vowels?
5.
Right. What are they? Slowly.
A,
Mm-hmm.
E,
Hmm.
I,
Mm-hmm.
O,
Hmm.
U.
Good job. How many
A,
consonants are there?
E,
That's okay. How many
I, O, U.
consonants are there?
Hmm?
How many consonants are there?
21.
Right. You're right.
21.
Right. How many
Gee.
colors are there in rainbow?
21.
That's right,
Colors.
sweetie. How many colors are there in rainbow?
7.
Right. What are the colors are there in rainbow?
Video, violet, indigo, blue, red, green, orange, yellow.
Good job. How many days in a week?
I've got it is white.
How many days in a week?
There's a week.
Mm-hmm.
7 days.
Good job. Tell me the names of those.
Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Good job. How many weeks are there in the month?
4.
Good job. How many months are there in a year?
12.
Right. Can you tell me the names of the months?
Month.
You forgot.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Good job. Which is the most sensitive organ of the body?
Skin.
Correct. Which is the largest bone in a human body?
Thigh bone.
Also
Right.
known as
It is also known as what?
Femur.
Okay, good job. What is the smallest bone in a human body?
Hmm?
What is the smallest bone in a human body?
My ear. It is ear bone.
Right.
also known as
Look at here. Look at here.
also known as
Good job.
say loud, sweetie.
How many lungs does human body have?
2.
Good
Can you tell
job.
the name of the lungs?
Left lung and right lung.
Good job. Which instrument we use to measure blood pressure?
Sigmometer.
Yep. Can you tell me loudly?
Sigmometer.
Good job. In which direction sun rises?
Sun rises east.
In which direction sun sets?
West.
Good job. How many directions we have? Loudly.
4.
Good job. How many hours in a day?
How many hours?
Mm-hmm.
24,
Right. How many minutes in an hour?
60.
Right. How many seconds in a minute? 60 again. Good job. What type of gas do plants absorb?
Carbon dioxide.
Good job. What type of gas do plants release?
Oxygen.
Right. What is the standard taste of a water?
Standard taste of water. Water is tasteless and colorless.
Good job. How many sides are there in a triangle?
3,
Right. How many sides are there in a rectangle?
4,
Good job. How many sides are there in a square?
4,
Right. How many sides are there in rhombus?
numbers 4.
Good job. How many sides are there in pentagon?
Pentagon 5,
Right. How many sides are there in hexagon?
6,
Good job. How many sides are there in heptagon?
7,
Okay. How many sides are there in octagon?
8.
Perfect, sweetie. We done with all 100 questions.
Yay! I can go to the park.
Yeah, you can go to the park and you can play. Thank you so much, sweetie. You did answer very well. Say thank you to mommy because mommy helped you to learn all these 100 questions.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you, daddy.
Why?
Welcome, sweetie.
Because you record the.
Questions?
Yes.
Okay, you welcome, sweetie, always. Thank you so much for learning.
Thank you so much, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye, children.
Yeah, bye, children.